Alrighty, guys, let's talk about my number one penny stock in the market right now. This penny stock, BYND, as you can see in the top left, Beyond Meat, has the most potential for one of the biggest squeezes out there. It has the volume behind it. I mean, we had 171 million volume today, guys. Now, I am very safe when I trade these things. I want you all to do this strategy on any penny stock. This works on any of them. But let's particularly talk about BYND. As you can see, if you're part of the Discord and you look at my swing trade alerts, I always get in at the end of the day on my penny trades. Yesterday, I took a BYND, and you can see I tell you, I bought it at the end of the day. I'm going to get out tomorrow if there's no movement. I always trade it on. I always sell it on the pre-market, and if it doesn't move on the pre-market, I just get out of it and I take those minor gains. But I tell you exactly right here, same plan. I bought BYND end of the day. Usually you get a 10% move up and put a stop loss break even. So I already took some gains on this BYND. You can see at the end of the day, I got in around this 51, 52 area, right? I got in around 3:50 p.m., 10 minutes before the bell. From this low to this high, it has pumped up 30%. Awesome move. I already took out, my 10% and I'm holding break even. Now, if it decides to come back down, then I just get out. But I think this is how you get those precise entries. Because when you look at my band strategy, we can hit this and we can keep coming down. But when you look at the big picture here, this thing is extremely oversold. You seen last time it came up in here, went a little bit lower, which is fine, but then it ended up pumping up over 100%. I mean, look at this monster move up you've had from here to here is 114%, and we're coming right down here at a low. I think this is the number one setup. Okay, so we had the same pattern. We're at this lower band. We can look at a KDJ to make sure how low are we. Now we're sitting at 11.35. Anything under 10 is extremely oversold. Now, granted, we do not have the time distance yet. All right, if you look at this thing, anytime we leave this EMA 5 and not touch it, you do need to wait around 7 days, especially with a gap like this. You can clearly see there is a gap right in here. This is your black space. So it does take longer to come back to this reversion to the mean, which is EMA 5, 10, and 20. But I think this is a different scenario. I think there's nothing wrong with taking this at the end of the day and getting rid of it. That's why I'm mainly doing it, because a lot of the times what happens, guys, is pennies usually pump in the pre-market and after hours, and that usually dictates, are they going to move during the market hours? If this thing does not maintain this movement here, and if it does break this structure and comes back down to the 50 cents, then it's probably going to be a dud and you probably need to get out. And that's the exact way how we traded this. Look, guys, I can't make this up. You buy at the end of the day, what happens? It had a nice solid move up. And guess what? Pre-market, it kind of fizzled out. We already take our gains. You already take your gains. Now you're just saying, does it go up more? Well, it went down in the pre-market, so we get out. Because remember, the market hours, it usually dips. You will see this time and time again. Pre-market, buy it at the end of the day, it pumps up after hours and pre-market. And as you can see, look at these moves you're getting. From here to here was another move. But yeah, and now that I'm looking at this, it's just getting to the more oversold territory. Now, if this doesn't decide to pump, I'll buy it at the end of the day. I'm going to keep you guys alerted here in the Discord, but this is my number one penny stock, BYND. You can look at the news here. Announced expiration of lockup restriction on shares issued in convertible notes exchange offers. Obviously, it's, they got diluted, but they are all around the world. This is a 24-hour penny stock, too, that is traded. You won't see that often, but 171 million volume came into this, guys. This is the most volume we've ever had probably in the history of this stock, I think. Yeah, 171 million volume. I think there's going to be a lot of short covering. Usually, when I see this system, just on a technical standpoint, when I see this touch of this lower band, usually we get a monster move up. We will see. I don't have to be right. I play what the chart did. I play what the stock gives me. If it comes back to 50 cents, I break even. I already made 10%. And now it's just, do I make a monster squeeze on the rest of my shares? All right, guys, this is what I'm playing. This is the number one penny stock. If you want to join the Discord, as always, you can more than welcome join. It is literally the cheapest Discord out there. That's going to give you high value plays, transparency, education. And I also go live every day. You can click the link down below in YouTube comments below. It will say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll be pinned, and you can also find that in the description. definitely locked in this discount, 12 bucks a month. It'll be locked in forever. It'll never go up in price. Hit how to subscribe down in here and hit hashtag day trade alerts. I think you'll have a lot of things. This is the best penny stock strategy out there. I'm telling you, this is literally how you catch oversold reaction moves and then get these monster pumps up. I've seen this time and time again. On a lot of plays. Remember ATYR, I'm still holding this. The same strategy that I do. Look at what ATYR. We gave it time distance. We were at this lower band, low KDJ, and it's already pumping 58%. And now you just hold your runners. That's the situation you want to be in. You don't want to be in a lot of people where a penny stock pumps and then they start getting in. You'll want to get in when it's depressing, when nobody wants it, when it starts going up. That's when you make the bank. And that's what I think BYND can do. I think we can get something like this motion where it goes up a lot, and let the new traders get in here where we know when price hits EMAs it's probably going to drop because we're in a downtrend. But let the other traders get in here, let them lose their money, but we know to get down in here when it's extremely oversold, when it's using our system buy at the end of the day, sell pre-market if it don't move, because if penny doesn't move in the pre-market phase or after hours, it's probably not going to pump. And usually what they do is they tend to go down during the market hours. So we'll see what we get here. I like this stock a lot. I think it's going to have a monster recovery. So let me know in the YouTube comments below what you think. Definitely join the Discord for only 12 bucks a month. I mean, you can't beat that. I also go live every day and I day trade. This is just one of my strategies that I swing trade. All right, guys, give this video a like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you in the next video. But this is I'm telling you, you're not going to see an opportunity like this often. This is something you want to take advantage of. Peace out, guys. Happy trading.